This is Jonathan King, reporting from North Greenville University on the snow day that we're having. This wonderful snow day, which, as you can see, there is absolutely zero snow out here on this glorious snow day. We had some ice earlier. There's very little of that still around. Some of the sidewalks are a little bit slippery, but that's about it. Now this here is a nice patch of ice, right by the bell tower. I slipped on it going by earlier. Whoa, still slipping on it kind of now. We have some lovely gray clouds, but, you know, no snow day. In fact, here. This is the ice that's been building up down here. Yep, see that? That's ice. That's our snow day. That's what caused all these classes to be canceled. Here you can see the stairs are roped off, possibly because they're frozen. They don't really look all that frozen right now. They just look kind of wet. If I was a particularly brave reporter, I would cross this line and test them out. But I'm not that stupid, so I'm not going to. Well, I didn't find out that my class was canceled until I got all the way down to the theater building from Bruce. That's quite a trek. Back and forth in cold and wind and some ice. It's still cold out here. It is very cold, I'll give it that. It's definitely a good day to be staying indoors. Kind of wish I was. Maybe not the best idea to be out here reporting on this, since there's nothing to really report on, except that I'm starting to lose feeling in the hand with which I'm holding this camera. Now, what I want to know is, why didn't they rope off the stairs going to the science building, down into it? You can actually see ice forming on the stairs. But they didn't actually rope it off. I guess they don't think anybody's gonna go into the science building on a day like today, since there's no classes. It's kind of weird, since Hamlin's roped off and there's nothing in there. Now see, this is the hand with which I'm filming this right now, and it's very much red. In fact, I'm not sure whether it's burning or whether it's going numb, probably both at the same time. This is, well, ow, ow, hurts to move it. No ropes on this set of stairs either. In fact, yeah, I think from this angle you can get a really good look at the ice here. And for those of you who are familiar with the science building, there is a way to get in without using steps, so they could have easily roped this off. Whoever's in charge of this, I'm not entirely sure what they were thinking. I'm sure it's something very intelligent. Just in case they're watching, you know. See, when I think of snow day, I think, let's go outside, let's make a snowman, let's have a snowball fight or something. Yeah. You can't do that outside today. Here's some puddles. I guess maybe we could have a splash fight or something. So it's kind of a water day. I don't get why classes were canceled. Now check this out. There are icicles forming on this car. That's about as close as a snow day you're gonna get to today. Look at this. This is a nice one here. You see that? Wow. That's a pretty nice icicle for just forming. Nice icy treat. Germaphobes in the audience, please don't think about where this came from. You know, I think the feeling is coming back into my hand. It's definitely not as cold as it used to be. Either that or I'm getting frostbite. Don't know which. So at this point, the rain has pretty much stopped raining. And we're left with kind of lightning, drying conditions. It's still freezing cold out here, but this is not a snow day. This is in no way a snow day. Except that classes are canceled. So it should be classes are canceled because of minimal ice day. Or overly paranoid day, or something. I don't know. It's not a snow day. It's not. Well, I'm finally back in my room again. Thankful for the warmth. Definitely don't want to go back out there anytime soon. It's not a very pretty day. You know, snow would have actually made it pretty. This is just kind of... It's there. That's all you can say about it. It is there. It's gray. It's kind of wet. And it's right in the middle between pretty sunshine and pretty snow. It's just... It's there. It's a there day. Not a snow day. There day. And, oh, my nose is starting to run. This is wonderful. This is Jonathan King, checking out the weather so you don't have to. Okay, yeah, my hand is starting to burn. That's not good.